So welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have imported this game asset file in Substance Painter. So let's continue it. So very first of all, I have already baked it. So in the previous session, I have shown how to bake these maps. So let's go into this, and first let's assign some metal shaders over here to the other elements over here. So we do have this particular stuff over here. So let's click on this and let's go over here, and I'll assign some metal shaders. So I'll go into this and let's assign this steel rough over here. So I'll assign a steel rough shader over here. So I've assigned a smart material. So let's go over here. Let's take a black mask. So if you want, what I can do is I can assign on top of it one material over here. So I'll assign one material on top of it. Let's take a black mask over here. Add generator, and let's add a metal edge fiber over here. So I can go into this and I can use this wear level if needed over here according to our needs. So once it is done, now I can again go over here into the metal stuff in this. So I'll go over here into the all library over here, and you can see we have different assets over here. I'll just click on this. Again I'll click over here, and let's take a metal over here. So let's add some steel dark over here on top of this all four. If needed, I can just assign on top of it. So we'll keep this as steel dark. Let's go over here. We do have a steel paint, so we can just assign this steel paint material on this on top of it, and if required we can go with metal as well. Okay, this looks a bit better. Over here we do have steel paint. We have two different steel paint over here. If needed, we can go with this. On top of it, I can just go over here and I can add a metal. Let's again add a black mask, add a generator, so add a generator, and we can go with this metal edge wear if needed. But what we are going to do over here is we are going to assign a wood over here. If needed, we can go with the wood part on top of it. So let's go over here. We can assign a wood over here. We do have this old wood as well, wood chest stylized. So let me check what kind of wood we can assign. I'll go over here and I'll assign a wood over here on top of it. Let's take So I'll go into this. Let's add a black mask over here, and into the mask let's go over here and take a polygon fill. We do have a polygon fill over here. Okay, so we'll just make it as white, and we can use this uh, polygon fill over here, and I can just off all this elements over here. So that is going to make it much easier. So I'll just select this. So go over here. So it's going to take time. So select this part over here. So I'll just again make it black over here. So whatever is visible will just keep that. Alright. So let's just make this again as white. So first check this out. How much is this part? So again I'll go into this, make that of a same color, again make this white over here. So select this. So select this area, whole thing. I'll go into this. Let's drag and select to make it much quicker. So let's just drag and select it to make it quicker. Again I'll make it as black, and I'll exclude this. We don't need this. So what I'll do is I'll just exclude this part over here. Exclude this. So make sure you are excluding the back part. So let's just select this. Alright. So if you want, you can just go over here and add this. We can add it in this way. So whatever area is required to be seen over here, we can just add it. So the outside area, so I won't do it because if I again go and select it, alright, so I can activate all this over here. So again I'll click out, oops, so again click on this, again make it black. So let's just select this, select it, alright. So I'll just click out over here, yeah, looks better now. Now again I'll go over here, let's take a paint layer. So if you want, I can just take a normal paint layer and I'll just push the layer on the top. Let's take a black mask, go into this, so we do have this alpha stuff. Let's go over here into the alpha and you can take any text over here. So if you want, you can so I'll go into this and let's take a black mask and go into this alpha and into the substance. If I can write something over here, IH, oops, H, one